not the 05. It's a big bin one. That means our food waste is not going to get empty. I think we had to win the council. Who's this bin man? Still goes, chef. It's the Hyatt. It's not a council charge. How would they... I'll ask them how they can still empty our food waste. Well, they said they were going to come back tomorrow for it. Fine. They'll come back tomorrow for it. So what's in the once? It's not a once anymore, a food waste one. They might have to... They have to get into the back of a truck. They'll probably just have to send it to landfill this week. It's not a food waste one today. It's a different truck. It's not a food waste one. Yeah, but it's a... He's friendly one. It's a big bin. No, we should be doing our side. It's a big bin truck. That's the one in sushi on the big... Still our usual driver. Not the 04. It's friendly. It's not. It's lucky I filled kids' swans. Kids' swans, one suitable for food. Lucky I filled kids' well, luckily. Yes, he was. Lucky I filled no. So he must not. Hello? Hello? How would he still empty our food waste? Hello? Hello? How would he still empty our food waste?
How?
Yeah.
Goes in the back, mummy.
Landfill, I could just...
Landfill, yeah.
Yeah. How come it's not the usual truck today?
Possibly top of the repair. You're waiting for it to be repaired, buddy. So as soon as it's repaired...
It's still empty our food. I think he's emptied it in the truck. We had the trouser truck. That was the truck we had the trouser truck. Yes. It's so devil change, man. How's it working? Bye. Bye. Has it been empty our food, guys?
It has, buddy, yeah. Has indeed.
Bye.
See you later.
It has still been empty. Hello! Yes! It's a different truck. We was a bit late. Is it all? No, you're a different one. No, a different one. Is it still going, chef? So it can send one not suitable for food waste, just they have to empty it to the back. Bye! Bye! It's friendly!
Take care.
Yeah! It's a bin man. First time I filmed a little bit of one knots. It's not been empty, our bin, it's half full. Probably have to that bin doesn't, that truck doesn't empty and properly out. I'll tell Mum it's not been empty. Tell Mum it's still half full, our bin. Where the hell is our food? Is it in this spin? They put it in the wrong one, they put it. I'll close next door's one then. Food just put in the wrong bin, that's why I took it out. Oh, it didn't get empty. It's come back. No, we'll just put it in the big bin. Yeah, we can. Just tell them that little bin didn't get in.
Well, I think we had to put our rubbish in the big bins. Our little bin's still half full.
Oh, it's still full, so I think we have to come back.
I'll shout to him now.
Oh, it's still full. We had to ring the council, Mark. Say it didn't empty it. You can't put any rubbish in there. We can't take it to them.
We'll take it to them.
Would they still be able to get it empty, oh?
Yeah, Mum's taking it to them. They haven't done it.
Mum, we've not done it! So I'll put a sticker on if we put it in the big bin.
If we put it in the big bin, they're going to put the sticker on.
I don't trust the big bin, I don't.
Oh, let's put it in Dad's commercial waste if it won't empty.
No, we could just put it in a green waste. We don't use the green waste ones.
Get that empty and get that.
Next.
That truck doesn't empty. I think we should get 5, 6, 7 back. I think we should.
Yes, should be empty now.
I had to get it empty all the way down there. We had
It's not been empty properly.
to be council to kept not emptying.
Say, can we have a difference?
Should have said Kidswell's once. That one empty's good. Oh, has it been empty now? Yeah. How come it didn't empty? Lifters must have been faulty since it came out still half full.
Now it's empty now.
Did he talk to you, in man?
Was
He was friendly though.
even funnier for New Year's Eve. He was even. It was the one not suitable for food waste. So maybe it is still on Little Bin that one.
Yes, now it's been empty.
Had to empty it twice. I like how if the thing gets stuck, I like how it did do G4, I like how it.
We didn't film a council truck this time.
Do you want to fill Kinswell empty next week? That one will be the council one.
It's not nonsense.
I want to fill Clumpits, right? It wasn't the council one. I want to fill Clumpit. Feels Big Bin would have waited for that. Feels.
Yeah. Hi, because that was PCS. Space. Still came out half.
How come yesterday it was 566? How come yesterday and today it wasn't? How come?
It was Neon 5000. It was Neon 5.
Thought our one was missed.
He went, it's the same noise as 5. It was a Neon 5 Little Bin. Neon Bin did say a load. I asked the big foods, our food's still going to get empty, is our foods.
Remember, Glenville Road had food waste risk due to the truck, due to its not its usual truck.
Driver did wave, he did. It's
Feel one.
566 and 567's on the pair, I think that's. I think they're both.
I reckon Easter holidays will get to our usual.
Yeah, it'll be
truck.
back to our usual one, Easter holidays.
It's going outside.
I didn't ask her, she never asked.
She ignores that one.
The driver is swollen.
That big. That's one wasn't a food waste one.
It was a different one.
Looks that one. Maybe both of our usuals are on.
But at least it's still